20,000 RPM. Hey everyone, today's February 20th, 2024. Hope all having a great day today, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just got off work and got a great workout in, and it is a beautiful day in the Chicago area. It's the first day, it's in the 50s, and today I'm gonna do a point of view video driving my 2020 Mustang GT that I owned for about 2 months now. And I just washed the car the other day, and it is looking absolutely stunning. I absolutely love the white paint of the car, and I love that I got the blackout package with my Mustang. If you guys don't know, blackout package comes with the blacked out pony in the front, blacked out wheels with the blacked out 5.0 badge, blacked out roof. Going to the back, we have the blacked out performance pack wing, as well as the blacked out GT on the deck lid. This car looks great from every angle, and I had 2 new cosmetic mods that came in the mail today. All right, so let's start this video off with a cold start. If you guys didn't watch 2 videos ago, this is my beautiful carbon fiber steering wheel, and it's honestly changed the whole driving experience of my car. And let's get this started with a quick cold start. All right, the car's warming up. I'm gonna strap the GoPro on my head to give you guys that point of view angle. And before we get this drive started, I'm gonna show you guys the 2 new mods that I got in the mail today, and I'll show you guys the unboxing really quick right now. The big box is side skirts, and the smaller one is a front lip. So the big box here is GT500 style side skirts, and the front lip is, I believe it's a Mach 1 style. This right here came in 3 pieces, and it's actually packaged really well. Opening this up here, nice gloss black color, and this is gonna look really good. I'm not gonna open all of them, but I'll put a quick picture of what this is gonna look like on my Mustang right now. I know a lot of people like doing the GT500 front end conversion with the bumper, but that's not something I want to do. It looks good, but it's not for me. And this box here, I just opened up. So side skirt, and here's the winglet that will be on the GT500 side skirt. And these are gonna make my car look really aggressive. With my car being white, the black accents with the Aero is gonna make it look so good. I'm not gonna unwrap these right now, but I'll put a quick picture of what the GT500 side skirts look like. Alright guys, I strapped the GoPro on my head, and you guys saw the unboxing of my new side skirt and front lip. I will be getting those installed tomorrow, and it's going to completely transform the exterior of my car. Let's get my radar plugged in, and let's get this point of view drive started. And hopefully this view is okay for you guys. It's been a little while since I've done a point of view video, but this is the first point of view drive with my new Mustang GT. And I'm doing this in Sport Plus mode, exhaust mode, and track. As of right now, my car is pretty stock. I have a couple mods. I have the Ford Performance exhaust. I put an X pipe on it the first week I got it. I also have the iBox Sportline lowering springs. And other than that, it's just cosmetic modifications, such as my steering wheel and my Racing Ishiko 500 gram shift knob. We'll get a couple different pulls for you guys on the local roads, and then we'll hop on the highway as well. And I just recently started using the active rev match in my car, and to be honest, I really do like it. It makes my car sound like an F1 car downshifting. And I'm really excited to get my long tube headers installed on my Mustang and get that tune as well. Not gonna lie to you, it sounds great with just the X pipe, but the long tube headers is really gonna make this car scream, and with the tune and E85, it's really gonna boost the power of this car and make it that much more fun. Let me get a quick pull for you guys here. There's a cop who pulled someone over right there. Alright, go gun it. This is the first warm day in a while. We'll do quick launch control here. Do 3,000 RPM. I don't have sticky tires on. There's no cars around. That was a weak launch. Let's try that again. We'll raise the RPM a little more. All right, we'll do 3,500 RPM. And see how that does. Much better. These snow tires obviously aren't meant to stick, but that launch wasn't bad whatsoever. And my car sounds so good right now. Okay, let's do a quick acceleration for all of you. God, the car sounds so good. And these downshifts are so crisp. We'll try one last launch on that one street where I had that straightaway where there's no cars around. $3,500. Perfect. A little bit of spin, but it's been a little bit gripped up and the car just went. And I can't wait to test this with nice sticky tires. And keep in mind, I'm getting aftermarket wheels, some nice Japanese wheels with really meaty tires for this upcoming season. We'll do a couple more accelerations here. We'll do a couple standstill revs, and we'll end the video there. Sounds so good. We'll do a couple revs for you guys to show you guys how my car sounds right now before I get my long tube headers. 6,000 RPM. Alright guys, just got home. Hope you guys enjoy this point of view video today. I couldn't go too crazy with wide open throttle considering I am on snow tires right now and they were spinning quite a lot. I wanted to make this video so I could look back on and see what my car sounded like and to get my experience of what my car is before I get my long tube headers and eventually boosting my car. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave a comment down below what you guys think of my Mustang GT so far. Like I said, 2 months of ownership. A couple modifications done, the X-pipe, my iBox Sportline lowering springs, carbon fiber steering wheel, shift knob, and I got the new front lip, rear diffuser, and side skirts that I will be installing tomorrow. And remember, I do respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.